Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for October 16th, 2017. For your Monday, cold front moving through very early this morning, so there could be a few leftover showers and a few clouds hanging around for the duration of the morning. It will be improving from northwest to southeast today, but there could be a few showers hanging around, especially our southeastern areas. I think most of the interior will be done with this pretty early, but just those clouds hanging around to just before noon, and then we should start seeing some clearing. Partly cloudy skies, and then we'll be eventually mostly sunny by the end of the day for most of the interior locations anyway. Let's look at the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I'm going to start this off at 5 a.m. You can see scattered shower activity along the frontal boundary at this point. This is 5 a.m., so if you are up early going to work, you will run into it in some areas. Here's 6, here's 7, here's 8, and it's pretty much confined down to around the Philadelphia metro, most of New Jersey, Delaware at this point. But once we get past mid-morning, it shuts off in eastern Pennsylvania. And once we get just past noon, it looks like it's going to want to shut off here in New Jersey, too. This is now early afternoon, and you can see it's moved off the coast. So improving from northwest to southeast, it'll be quicker in the interior and moving off to the southeast with that front. And then it'll take the clouds with it as well. So you might not get clearing until very late in the day farther southeast, but it will happen. It's just a matter of time. And once this front goes through, we have a big deep trough sitting out here that's going to cross over in our region today, later today, and again tonight. So you're going to be much cooler today behind this frontal boundary. Let's move ahead to the next couple frames here. Here's late in the day. High pressure moving in, but we also have winds coming in from the northwest or north-northwest. And this is a chilly breeze, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And temperatures in some areas will not get out of the 50s today, especially in the interior, where the front comes through a little quicker. Sun will come out. However, with those winds and combination with the temperatures, it'll feel a lot cooler than the posted temperature, which in some areas will be just stuck in the upper 50s to near 60. I think down here by Philadelphia, point south and east, you're probably in the lower 60s for highs, even with those showers around. But the temperature just kind of hangs around there for most of the day, even with that clearing later in the day. So once we get this to go through, one concern here is overnight. You might have to be dealing with your first frost of the season. I'm going to circle an area where I think the frost is just in our coverage area, mind you, which is all of eastern Pennsylvania, all of New Jersey, all of Delaware, and the northern half of Maryland and eastern shore of Maryland. These are the areas that I think will be dealing with frost in. I'm going to just outline it. So if you're in this outline, you could be dealing with some frost here. I'm not going to include the Philadelphia area. We'll include the interior South Jersey portions. These are the areas that I think will be under a frost, scattered frost, or at least patchy frost. So if you're in any of those areas, watch out for that tonight. If you have any tender vegetation, you want to protect them. If you don't want to lose them, because it is a killing frost for plants that are sensitive and vegetation that is sensitive to that. That will happen overnight. Temperatures are getting down to the 30s overnight for overnight lows. It'll be very chilly starting off Tuesday morning, and again Wednesday morning too, although I don't think it's going to be quite as cool. But this high pressure is going to be with us all week. We're going to be mostly sunny skies as the entire week, but we will be moderating as this high pressure moves off the eastern seaboard. I think it's going to begin on Wednesday. Winds coming in more from a west. You can see what the isobars are here, kind of a southwest or west-southwest motion. That's going to indicate these temperatures coming up a little bit. Be close to the 70-degree mark in some places by the time we get to Wednesday, and then we're going to be into the 70s straight through the weekend. But I don't see any precipitation this entire time frame. It's going to be a very dry week, very mostly sunny, dry week. This is just high pressure dominating the entire forecast straight through the entire weekend. I'm looking at Sunday night right here. This is as far as the next cold front is at this point, which comes through on Monday probably, but we are just warm straight through from Wednesday through Sunday. Temperatures above average, mostly sunny conditions, dry conditions for the entire stretch. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for October 16th, 2017. Have a great Monday.